welcome back to our channel. My name's Aileen and this is my brother,
Ian.
As promised, this is our favorite slime recipe.
We do it a lot with our mom.
And these are the ingredients.
She's a very cool mom.
We need glue. We need water, baking soda.
We need, and then we're gonna need some shaving cream, glitter, and contact glass solution.
Yes.
Okay. First, you're gonna add
And safety first. Never ever get it in your hair,
eyes, or face.
What happens if it splashes in your face?
Quickly went to the restroom or anything close and
wash
your hands,
or
your head, your face.
What?
I mean, your face, not your head.
Take a shower.
Yeah, take a shower, I guess, yeah.
Okay.
Let's
ready?
get started.
Let's get funky, 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 boom.
Ready in?
Yeah. What?
It kind of feels like we're making cake.
Ooh, you guys want to bake a cake next?
Oh, yeah. And we also need this like this.
Sounds
Ooh, what about
yummy.
the apple cake?
Ooh.
That can be our next YouTube secret.
I guess I need to stay tuned, right?
Yeah.
So difficult.
Come on, glue.
No, don't get me out. Leave me in here.
It's nice and toasty. And it's very, and you can meet all your friends. By the way, all your friends are there.
The first step was to put the glue, which we already did. And now we're going to mix the water in really good with the glue.
And then we're gonna put the baking soda. Is this the water or the bio thing?
Yeah, that's the water.
Hope so.
Get mixing.
Next, what was the baking?
We need to make sure it's
really good.
completely mixed.
Stop mixing.
This is done.
No, what yours kind of good.
How can you tell if it's completely mixed?
You won't see big lumps of glue. It'll just completely be mixed.
Will you
in.
show me? Oh.
It'll look like this. It won't look like it's actually
Let me see.
glue.
Like this?
Yeah, yours is good.
Okay.
No,
Time for the baking soda.
Oh wait, that's not baking soda.
You're gonna put the water again. Someone help me with this.
Now it's looking very white. And then
Shaving cream. And also, if you want, you can put some food coloring. But we didn't want to. So.
What are you guys adding?
We first, so the first step was the glue. The second was the water, and the third was the baking soda.
The fourth is
Shaving cream.
don't shoot it at us.
Are you done mixing?
Yep. Looks pretty good.
Okay, let's put it back.
Blue one. Okay.
Stay. Should we put the whole bottle of shaving cream?
Let's try it.
What is wrong with yours? It's still going. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. I can't believe. I'm ready.
You're forgetting something.
Glitter.
Oh yeah. No, I need to
contact
buy it.
solution?
Yeah, that's all. I'm not gonna do that.
Wait, should I pour it on top?
On the bottom, I
I'm
guess.
just gonna put a little for now.
And you have to put it on the bottom.
Should I mix?
So my hands?
Yes.
3, 2. Oh yeah, I should put glitter.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let's get muxing.
How can I open this? Can you help me?
Get marching.
Can you
What do you mean marching, Ian?
Yeah, I don't care.
Thank you.
Thank you, nice brother.
Okay. Yeah, that means I can do this, so.
What did I do? Oh, at least it'll be shiny.
Your dress.
Oh yeah, scoot back. It feels so cool. Squish!
Wait, I didn't get to the very bottom.
Out from under this thing. And make it smaller. Come on.
Dun dun.
Ian.
Yeah, I would need an extra hand. Ooh, I have
Like
a
an
little
alien.
finger. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Hey guys,
Guys.
if you don't want your slime to be so sticky, you can put another teaspoon of contact solution and it'll make it less sticky. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, I can't get mine with my sticky footy hands.
Ooh, your.
Make a tail, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, flap, flap, pancake, bam, make it.
How many tablespoons of contact solution did you add, Ian?
And 3 contact,
¿Cuántas pusiste?
You said 3. This is a lot of
No, I think you put 2.
and 2, fine.
Ooh.
We're making pizza with slime.
Aileen is making pizza dough.
Good. Yeah.
Ooh, Aileen. I think you know how to make dough.
I need the spatula.
And if you leave some slime, come on, slime, spread. Okay, if you leave slime, it picks it up automatically with this.
Oh, so it's no mess slime.
Yes.
Except for your
It's
hands.
mess-free slime. I like this one.
But it's
And
only
it's
for
as
your
fluffy
hands.
as a cloud.
Mmm.
Please
Make sure you give us a big
thumbs up and put comments below. Bam.
Hey guys, this is all for today. Bye.